Be aware that there are left-hand and right-hand disc hub assemblies. Remove the cotter pin from the hub spindle. Remove the castle nut and washer from the spindle. Gently tap the end of the spindle with the rubber mallet to loosen it. Pull the disc and cleaner wheel assembly out of the opener frame and place it on a clean surface. Remove the worn disc and hub assembly from the spindle. Clean the spindle and bushings inside the opener frame. Install the new or refurbished hub and disc assembly onto the spindle. Reinstall the assembly into the opener frame, ensuring the cleaner wheel is positioned at the proper angle. Reinstall the washer and castle nut, tighten the nut, and reinstall the cotter pin.